I'm Wicked Wombat, and welcome to my channel. A feisty beaver gives these two quite the scare. Here is a rare encounter between a lynx and a mountain lion.
Mountain goats. Not even phased that I pull right up to them, eh? Like, what are you doing, bro? We're just eating gravel. Oh yeah, there you go, get a little spooked. I'll see if I can get close to one anyways. Beautiful animal.
A moose camps the night in a stranger's house.
Look at that.
This lady's doing. She's like trying to touch this moose. This is not a good idea. This is not safe.
Huh? So
And
It's goat licking arm. I'm talking to the goat.
what?
I'm talking to the goat. He's licking the salt off my arm. That's one friendly goat. Okay, that's enough.
Where are the two?
Oh, you got a good one.
Wow, where is he, Bob?
In front of us.
I don't know if I'm taking a picture of the right thing. Yeah, now I got it.
Apparently beavers can compete in any weight division.
A beaver and a bear fighting.
A mother bear and her cubs cross a busy road in the town of Banff.
People don't care. Oh, it's a baby! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Get in, Dad.
Dad, let me in! Oh my god!
Look behind you, son.
Dan, let me in! I'm in the middle of a... Kelly, let me in! Jesus!
There's two babies. Why the did you get out?
Stop! Go!
A calf moose does not exactly thank its rescuer.
Come on, little girl. Hey. Oh, you're a mean little girl. No call I'm being nasty. Now, come on. You wouldn't believe I just got my butt kicked by a calf moose.
Here are some beluga whales that are looking for some camera time in Churchill, Canada. A man confuses a puffin.
Something to eat, bird?
Oh my goodness, baby.
Please stick on.
What?
So we've got a cougar about 20 yards from the truck. This is insane. I cannot believe this. He wants me. Holy shit, and he's not scared. And I don't shit my pants.
Here is a rare encounter between a lynx and a wolf.
So I'm working away in my office and I hear a knock at the front door. I go, well, maybe that's not a knock. So I take my camera out and a giant red-headed woodpecker. This guy is huge. No excuses. Look at him tear the wood out of there.
Here is how a bull elk sheds its antlers.
That bull just lost both of his antlers right in front of me.
These two predators barely acknowledge each other. Here we see a lynx taking on a full-grown mule deer.
Oh, shut up.
Get on video.
I am. Oh my God.
A huge 14-point bull elk is spotted in Saskatchewan. Here is an up-close recording of a wolf in the wild. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.